At the Actuate Nairobi Summit, we're shaping the future with blockchain technology. It all starts with a shared vision to incentivize knowledge, exploration, and creation. We're building a world where your ideas and contributions are rewarded through Actuate tokens. In the first phase, we focus on discovering and externalizing knowledge. This is where ideas are born and exploration takes center stage. But we don't stop there. Next comes the step that turns these ideas into tangible products, prototyping. How do we bring these ideas to life? Through ideation and securing funding for prototypes. From ideation, we transition into manufacturing, where the future really takes form. This isn't just about building products, it's about creating a sustainable ecosystem where smart contracts power every transaction. Imagine a hackathon session where we develop smart contracts that award funding or actuate tokens to support real-world manufacturing. From start to finish, it's a journey of innovation, empowerment, and collaboration. With Actuate tokens, we're not just building products, we're creating a community of creators driving change in health, blockchain, and decentralized finance. Join us on December 3rd to 6th at Kenyatta University, Nairobi. Let's build a future where Actuate tokens empower the next generation of creators.